Hey everyone, let's jump into the next section, which is exporting. In this topic, we will export a screenshot. So in this section, we will discuss about the exporting, the stuff that we made in Premiere Pro. Now in this topic, we will export a screenshot of your video. I will show you how you can take a screenshot of this preview screen. You can make the video as many as you can, but at the end, you need to export it so that you can get that video to upload on different sites. First of all, we will export a screenshot, so you just have to check the frame that you want and drag the cursor to select the frame that you want. You can see the camera icon here. You can see that there is a camera icon. Click on that icon, then the export frame should open on the video. You can change the name of the screenshot. I am changing it to sample image 1, so I am just browsing the screenshot. So you can see that here is our Adobe Premiere Pro folder, and now I am creating another folder and naming it export. After selecting this, all the export screenshots will save in this folder. After clicking OK, it's exported. Now you can see that on the folder, the screenshot is saved. So this is the screenshot that we just exported, and it already exported in the highest quality. This is the first method of exporting a screenshot. We also exported it in BMP format. You can also use PNG or JPEG format. JPEG is for lower size format and PNG have higher size. I am exporting it again in PNG format and naming it sample image 2. Now here is our second image exported. This image has a slightly bigger size than this, so this is the first method. And there is also long method that you can use when you press Ctrl+M. It will open export window, and you can also get this window from select file option, then choose export. After that hit media, but Ctrl+M is easier than this. For screenshot, you have to change the format here to JPEG, PNG or BMP. You can see that the quality is already 100. Now before exporting, you have to select the frame by in and out. So I am pressing INO to get the frame, then just press Ctrl+M to open export window, and then you can browse the location. For the screenshot I am browsing it to export folder that we created. I am naming it to sample image 20 and then just click export. Then you can see the image here in the folder. So this is how you can export the screenshot to a particular frame of your video. So this is all about this topic. In the next topic, we will go further in exporting. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic of exporting section. In this topic, we will export sections of a video. We are not exporting the full video, but we are exporting the selection of a video that we need. We know that how to add in and out marker in the Premiere Pro. So I need the video from here to here. So what we will do is we make an in here and out point here. Press I to make in point here and press O to make out point there. Okay, so this looks good. So what we will do is press Ctrl+M to open export window. Now the format is set to JPEG, but for video, we have to change the format to H264. By applying this, it automatically gets the best setting from this. Then just browse the video to the export folder that we have created, and then I am naming it sample v1. Then just export the video. And after exporting, it will save in the export folder that we have created. You can see that here is our video. And this is how our video looks. I think it's exported well. This is how we can export our video. Let me show you again. Now I am selecting different clips. By just selecting it with in and out, you can basically select the part that you want to export like this. So I have selected the part that I want to export. Now simply press Ctrl+M to open the export window. Then just change the name to sample v2. After pressing export, it takes time according to your computer configuration. You can use the media encoder to export fast. Now it is exported. And you can see that here is our sample V2 video, and this is how you can export any part of your video. So this is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will do an exercise where we just export a full video. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will do an exercise. In this topic, we will export full video like we exported some short clips. So here is a quick revision that how you can export the screenshot. Simply you just have to select the frame and click on the camera icon. To export the screenshot, just rename the screenshot. Then I am changing its name to Sam Im1. After exporting you can see. This is the screenshot you can see here. So this is how you can export the screenshot, and if you want to export your full video, then you just have to select the full video by making in and out marker. Now we have to make in marker at the start and then make the out at the end of the video, which you can see here. Now just press Ctrl+M and just export it. I am changing the name to final sequence, and then you can export it. Exporting takes some time, but it will worth it. Exporting takes time according to the CPU and GPU. If you have a decent processor, then it will take less time. You can see that it already 90% done, and here it's completed. Now you can see that here is our video in the export folder. Now it is fully rendered and running without any lag or frame drop. Now this looks so good. You can see that the output is looking very good. Then the preview. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will learn more stuff about exporting in the next topic. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will export our video in the best export settings. So in this, you will learn how you can export the video in the best settings. We know that on YouTube or Instagram, there are billions of videos are uploaded on these websites. So when we upload any video or picture of the Instagram and YouTube, it will reduce some of the quality. So what we do is to export the video in the best video setting. So when Instagram reduces some quality, then it still maintains the decent quality. So we have to export our video in best exporting settings, and then we can upload it on YouTube or Instagram. So this is the selected video that we want to render. We already rendered this video, but now we will render it in the best setting. So just press Ctrl+M to open the export window. So what we will do is that keep the format to H264 and change the preset to. So we will choose high quality 1080p because it matches our sequence. Now just click to the render at maximum depth. It will do a massive jump in video size. Then use maximum render quality. Then you can also adjust the target bitrate. But I will keep it as it is. I am doing it to 21, and now you can import it. This is how you can get the best quality. If you have a sequence in 4K, then you can choose 2160p 4K quality, and if you have HD video, you can just choose 1080p HD, but I'm choosing 1080p HD because our sequence is 1080p. Now just tick the use maximum render quality and tick the render at maximum depth, and now you are ready to export. You can also change the bitrate according to you. I am doing it 21. Now I am naming this video to final seg better. Now I am exporting it, and this will surely have a higher file size and looks a little bit better than the previous video, and by this you will surely get the best video quality. Just wait for it till it exports the video, and it will take a little bit of time than the previous video because it has larger file size than before. It's almost completed, and here it is completed. Now you can see that this is a video and it looks slightly better than the previous video. I will show you the file size of the video First video size is 26 MB and the other video size is 55 MB, and it just doubles the size of the video. I will show you both of these. First one has the size of 26 MB and another one has a size of 55 MB. Surely it gets increase in the quality. This is it for this topic. So in this topic, we learned how we can export our videos in the best setting. In the next topic, we will do an exercise, so keep learning. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will do an exercise and we will export a video in 4K. Last time we exported 1080p video. Now we will export a 4K video. You can see that. This is the green screen work. We did the green screen work in the previous video. So now you can see that our video is running inside that laptop and whole footage is in 4K. Can see that? I already selected the video part that we need to export. Now for exporting, we just have to press Ctrl+M. To open the export window, keep the format as H264 and you can see the size is 19 MB, and if you change the preset 1080p HD, it scales size to 34 MB, and if I choose the 2160p 4K, then the size will increase to 134 MB. Now just press the match source to match the sequence and then just tick the render at maximum depth and tick use maximum render quality and then just change the name to better 4K. Now select the export button. So this is how you can export your video in 4K. I am not exporting the video this time because it opens the encoder and I don't want to open it. So this is it for this topic. In this topic, we learn how we can export our video in 4K. In the next topic, we will discuss how we can export a video with transparent background. Let's get there. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will get to know that how we can export video with a transparent background. We can export our video with a transparent background just like we export images with PNG format. As same, we will export video with a blank background. This is the green video and I already extracted the green screen. To export this with transparent background, I just selected the clip that we want. Now just press Ctrl+M to open the export window and change the format to QuickTime. I can't able to find it. Oh, get it, here is the QuickTime. So change the format to QuickTime. Now change this video codec to that we are seeing is Apple ProRes 4444XQ to animation. After that, just select the 8bpc plus alpha. By this, it will make our video transparent. It will remain it transparent and make it a blank background. So now we just have to export our media. It's exporting pretty fast. Just wait for it. And now it is exported. Now this is a video here in the folder. When I import this video again in the timeline, then you can see that this video still has a blank background. So this is how it works. After exporting with these settings, you can export the video with a transparent background. In the next section, we will learn all about color correction and color grading for achieving the cinematic looks and enhancing or improving the color of the videos. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.